Hi guys, welcome you all for the session. First of all, I would like to thanks for given the wonderful opportunity to share my knowledge in the great time. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. So this is Tamrarasan, working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at SM Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dindigul. And today we are discussing about your versatile software. Why I told that when versatile means it was using worldwide in lot of organizations and a lot of engineering aspects and a lot of student aspects. So it was using very user friendly. So that's why I told was it is a versatile software. I thought you are all known about the software when I told the name because that name was the software is SolidWorks. The SolidWorks software it was using, I already told it was worldwide using because it was easy to learn and easy to pick up a model for the 2D to 3D conversion, as well as it was using the purpose of simulation also. So that is a major advantage for the software. That's why I told it was a versatile. Because a lot of modeling softwares are available nowadays, but one of the best software for modeling as well as simulation is the SolidWorks software. I was most preferable, like Creo or CATIA. Compared with that, the SolidWorks software is very user friendly and also used for simulation purpose also. So that's why I told. And branch wise, I was list some of the branches using the SolidWorks software for some create the model 2D as well as 3D models like mechanical, automobile or civil, electrical, electronics, and architectural and food processing, and a lot of manufacturing industry also using nowadays this software very useful manner. So that's why I told. So kindly watch the video at the end of the session because a lot of information are given that with my PPT. So just wait for that PPT. So based on the PPT or giving the lot of information about the SolidWorks software. So for the beginners, it was most useful, I think, because I plan for shown how it works and how it will use for 2D and 3D models and how it will be developed. So these are all topics are covered by the PPT. Let me start the PPT presentation based on SolidWorks. So this is one kind of SolidWorks model created by the SolidWorks software. So now, so first of all, we know about what is SolidWorks and why we are using SolidWorks and where it was using the SolidWorks software. So that will be fully detailed studies in the upcoming slides. Okay, so first of all, what is meant by SolidWorks? So SolidWorks is a 3D modeling software, all are known, and it was used to simulate the design and also to develop the 2D models and 3D model also. And the SolidWorks, you can sketch the ideas and experiments in different angles. Okay, so that is the main advantage for SolidWorks software. And then the SolidWorks was used by a lot of organizations, students and designers, engineers and other professionals. Why? Because they are used to produce simple and complex parts, geometries, assemblies, or done by the help of SolidWorks. And also, it was some beneficial activities are there. What is that? That the beneficial activities are saving time and efforts and money. So that will be savings by using the SolidWorks softwares, and it was spent a lot of a prototyping model in the design. So finally, we was conclude some benefits about the SolidWorks. So first one is it was maximize the productivity and it was more faster and cost effectively, and it was built a lot of 3D design at easy manner, and it was easily manage the data and share the data designs and automate the workflows, and it was securely share the design data. It was a main organization uh, helpful for the organization and the client. So it is a main benefits of SolidWorks while we are using the SolidWorks software. And so this is a main SolidWorks interface area. So when you're going to use the SolidWorks software, so first of all you saw the window on your screen. So there are three types. So one is path and another one assembly and final one drawing. So these three important views are a major role for the SolidWorks, okay, while entering the SolidWorks software. So first of all, what is meant by part? So part there, what will be done by the SolidWorks software means, before we began looking at the software, it was very important to understand the different components to make the SolidWorks model. Why? Because it was basic elements are done by using the part, okay. So the part consists of primitive geometry features such as such as extrudes, revolutions, loft sweeps. These are all activities are compiled in the part interface. And then assembly. So second component was assembly. So the assembly is what the name already told. So it was a single parts are compiled it in one area, so then it will be compiled with each other by using mate options and coordinate options and coincident options. So these are constraints are available in the SolidWorks software, and any complex model where will be usually consist of one or many assemblies. So finally, third part will be component of SolidWorks is drawing. So it is a basic 2D drawing and also 3D drawing, which will be used to recreate a part or re-edit the part while using in an organization. So and another one, it was a SolidWorks work surface. So by default, no file is opened automatically when you start the program. So when you go for a slide, so first of all, it is a black window will be shown there. So then only you will click the file and you are clicking new document. Then only create a new document file. So that is the main work surface in SolidWorks. And next one, for modeling. So here we are discussing about some tools. The tools will be used for make some design models or some drawings, 2D drawings. So first of all, we are using modeling in sketching properties. So sketching is having a lot of tools, for example, line, circle, arc, ellipse, and square, rectangle, arc. So lot of features are available there. So first one, line command. So line command already known that. So just create a single line or continuous line or tangent lines. And circle, so you can sketch a center based circle or perimeter based circle. And so there are two types of circles are available, and arc there are three types of arcs are available. So tangent arcs, center point arc, and point arcs. And finally ellipse, so you can create the ellipse with the specific center of a ellipse, so it was in the inbuilt of circles. So okay. And other sketching tools are like rectangle, parallelogram, slats, polygon, parabola, conic section, spline, and text point. So these are all kinds of tools are used in a SolidWorks interface. So this is the display modes of a SolidWorks interface. So first of all, wireframe, and second one, hidden lines visible, and third one, hidden lines removed, and the fourth one, shaded, and fifth one, shaded with edges. So these all kind of display modes are available in SolidWorks when you are entering the SolidWorks model. And some editing sketches also available in the SolidWorks software. So first one is filter and chamfer, offset entities, trim, mirror. So these are all using while you are convert to 2D to 3D model, or in 2D model. So we are having some editing features. So that is the main part. So first one is fillet. So fillet tool trims away the corner at the intersection of two sketch entities to create the tangent torque. Okay, so create the tangent torque when we need the tangent torque, so we will go for a fillet command, or otherwise some adjust and the sample tool was some adjustment entities. Okay, and another one is offsetting entities. The offset entities tools are offset one or more sketch entities. Okay, so that is a main application for offset. And trim command is also known that trim is nothing but unwanted surface or unwanted lines, unwanted arcs will be erased by using that trim command only. And there is lot of trim features are available. Moreover, five trim commands are available. And then mirror command. So the mirror is to create symmetric copy. So mirror means one mirror is nothing but a symmetric copy of a selected entity. So we are choosing a black square block. So the square block will be, we need a extra one copy. So just you select the square and pick the center line based on the center line. So we get a another square. Okay, so that is a major application in while using the mirror. And another features are when we are going to convert the 3D model. So here we have lot of 3D features are there. So first one is extrude. Extrude is nothing but it converts the sketch base pose feature by extruding it. Is that means it will be evolved. Okay, so then revolve software, sweep, loft. So loft and some other feature tools are draft, rib, mirror, pattern, dome. So lot of 3D tools are available there. So this also has some other feature tools with the example of base feature and boss feature, cut feature, hole feature, fillet feature, sambar. So these kind of all features are there. So it is the example for cut feature and this is an example for a hole feature. Okay. So the difference was with a very little, very little difference between there. And finally, fillet feature. Fillet feature means you know that the curved sections are will be arc. Okay, so that is the main major advantages for filler feature. And revolve command. So this is a revolve command and the loft sweep commands the application. And it is a linear pattern. Okay, so linear pattern is a circular pattern. Pattern means nothing but so the copy of n number of copies are need. So then only we go for a pattern. And this is cell feature. And this window shows assembly. So how to make assembly in SolidWorks. So that is another part. So first just click the assembly model and then so we will go for some path model. So the path will be picked to the main window. So there will be we have some made command. So assembly is majorly two types of assemblies are available. One is bottom up design and another is top up design. This approach is only used while going for the assembly. Okay. So this is one example of universal coupling joints. So here we are using made command and the constraint commands for using to join the number of parts. And the types of assembly mates. So mate is a main role to assemble two or more parts with a easy manner. So there are four types of mates are available. One is a standard mate and advanced mate, mechanical mate, and smart mate. So these are the four types of mates are available. So standard mate is nothing but it was coincident, the parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric. That is these are all the points are need to make this standard mate. Okay, and another one is advanced mate is nothing but it is symmetric. Okay, so when the path will be symmetric, so then only you will using the advanced mate. So another one is mechanical mate. So mechanical mate is nothing but we are using for cam, gear, hinge, and rack, pinion, screw, universal joints. So there will be you are using the mechanical mate, and also smart mate is nothing but it was used for pattern based mates. Okay, so yeah, the similar parts are where there is a similar parts are available. There will be we are using the smart mates. Okay, so these are some other assembly models. So just showing you. So just see the model only. So and another one is an extensive set of modeling tools for complex shapes. So these kind of shapes are available in SolidWorks models. So like fillets, fill, and planer, extrude, revolve. So these are the main tools for 3D models. And also it will use some surface feature also loft, swept, fill, and boundary freeform. So and also the main advantage for using SolidWorks was sheet metal. Okay, sheet metal is major application in industry aspirants as also a organization aspirants. Okay, so when all the parts are having some um, all the parts are created by one the sheet metals are grown. Okay, so then only we get a lot of materials, a lot of parts are in sheet metal. Okay, so the sheet metal process always done by using the SolidWorks software. And also welding weldments also they are available. So in mainly major advantage for sheet metal. Okay, sheet metal only we are focused for using the SolidWorks software. So this is a major advantage for SolidWorks software. So thank you all.